Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm with you for the daily Bitcoin analysis on April 13th. We're looking at the daily time frame. As you've seen, Bitcoin started an upward move last week, and after filling the daily FVG area on Sunday, after the failure of talks between Iran and the US, it saw a drop of over 3%, and the weekly candle closed around $70,750. In this time frame, we can see that for the long term, Bitcoin's price is in a downward channel, and in the latest move, it dropped immediately after reacting to the resistance line of this channel. Now we're in the first trading day of this week.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
And the price is trading near the daily FVG. We're examining the capital inflow and outflow trends for Bitcoin ETF funds. As you can see here, an average inflow was recorded over the past week. Averaging this flow, we saw about $770 million in inflows to these funds last week. You can see here that the recorded inflow was the highest in the last month. Now we're looking at the Fear and Greed Index. This index, which had risen to around 50 by Saturday, April 11th, dropped after the increased tensions between Iran and the US and is now at 42. Note that this number is still within the neutral range. We're examining the 4-hour time frame. In our last Bitcoin analysis on Friday, it was predicted that given the positive sentiment in the crypto market, Bitcoin's upward move would continue, and we saw it last until the 4-hour FVG area was filled. But on Sunday, we saw Bitcoin's price drop from the $73,000 range to $71,500. This downward move continued until we finally reached the 4-hour BPR area at around $70,600. Currently, we consider this the most important short-term support area, as the previous bottom was also formed here. We're looking at the Bitcoin liquidity map. Here we can see that for Sellside liquidity, we'll have levels below previous bottoms and the $70,350 range, and if this support is lost, the next liquidity will be at the $70,000 psychological level. Also, for the nearest buy-side liquidity, we have the $71,430 area, with more buy-side liquidity sitting above the previous major peak. Now we're looking at the 1-hour time frame. Donald Trump, the US president, announced that a naval blockade against the Islamic Republic will be imposed today, and they intend to start this within the next few hours. Following the release of this news, we expect to see more risk aversion in the crypto market. But we should gauge the impact of this news based on the price reaction to the 1-hour and 4-hour BPR resistance zone. If this support range is lost, the price could drop quickly, and after passing the 1-hour FVG, reach the order block range and the price level of $68,000. In the second scenario, if there's more support for Bitcoin, if we see sell-side liquidity collection from below previous lows, the price could move towards the higher FVG and the previous peak. Good luck and stay profitable.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.